everybody, welcome to Non-Perfect Parenting. We are here talking about this little MP4 player from Tom America. Now this is an awesome little MP4 player because it stores your pictures, your music, photos, anything that you want to have on it, and it is really tiny and convenient, so you can throw it in your pocket, your backpack, your purse, anything like that. It comes with your headphones. But let me show you how it works. It's expandable, which is really great. This one's 16 gigabytes, but all you need to make it work is to push the little buttons, and that's the interface. So it's really perfect. Here's your volume control. That's how you get back to your menu. And then you'll be able to choose exactly where it is that you want to go and how you want to work with it. So once again, this is Tom America. You can purchase this on Amazon.com. There's a variety of colors available. I happen to choose the silver, but go pick out your favorite color and purchase it now. Go to my site, nonperfectparenting.com, for all my other reviews and my giveaways. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone.